From sunrise, doves, to daylight paint disasters. So I kind of fucked up. And New York's first snow. This is what a real week looks like for a Nepali filmmaker in Jackson Heights. Calm morning and chaos night. And rotis that could end arguments. Hey guys, welcome to Thenthuk's vlog. This week had everything. Autumn walks through NYC full foliage, catastrophic mouse hunting failures, editing in bathtubs and Aries light glow on my face, and becoming the unofficial Roti king of Queens Plus hospital visits, apartment hunting, and New York's first snow.
Should we have a coffee date?
It starts with sunrise, hitting my small Jackson Heights apartment. I open my balcony door, and there it is. A dove eating peacefully, like it owns the place more than I do. Before a single drop of coffee touches my tongue, I'm already opening my laptop, brainstorming ideas with autumn ambience, and coffee jazz playing softly. Then I step out for breakfast at Better Half Café, full of thoughts and zero action. A little later, I take an autumn foliage walk, the kind that reminds me why I still love this city after a decade. The red leaves, the wind, the jazz music somewhere in the distance. This is autumn in New York. It makes even my immigrant anxiety feel cinematic. But of course, peace doesn't last here. In my heroic attempt to catch a mouse, I managed to drop an entire bucket of white paint all over the floor. Because I was trying to catch a mouse, a Mickey Mouse that was running, and I fucked up and I spilled the whole color. Now I have to fix this. Oh my goodness. Honestly, if you've ever messed up this bad, at least like the video so I feel less alone. Then we walk to beautiful Jackson Heights. The weather looks beautiful. What's even more beautiful is my wife. Hi. Hi. Oh, what do you got? What do you got for me? Oh, I like that. She got me this. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, baby. Gimbal. Oh, data. Look at the weather. Oh my goodness. Another day out here at the Chatpati spot. Studio Mongol에서. Well, no matter how dumb or carefree I look, I put in the work, editing in the bathtub, filming with my Ari lights like I'm shooting a Hollywood film. Inside a tiny Queens apartment, I cook. And I cook good. At this point, I genuinely think I'm the Roti king of New York. About me, I'm after vlog. Like today we are turning vegetarian because it's a full moon and watching on vlog. What a life. Some days I even almost edited whole nights and still woke up early to make rotis. Call me lazy one more time. I swear, I'll make you roti just to prove you wrong. Then life continues. Apartment hunting.
एउटा कोठा यहाँ बाटो नै छ यहाँ मान्छेहरु यहाँ छ केटी डार्क छ रानी ध्यान यहाँबाट यस्तो हो किचन मान्छ अर्को कोठा यहाँ छ
More rotis, hospital visits and long waiting rooms.
बाहिर चिसो छ ज्याकेट लगाइ भित्र आयो भने फेरि गर्मी छ किताब लिएर आयो कि किताब पढ्दै बसेको
Daily vlog uploads and fighting with the algorithm like it owes me money. There are friends, family, soccer.
I did it! I did it! I did it!
And Thenthuk for the soul.
That's it. Looks good. Oh my goodness, Roger. Thank you. Looks so good. Yeah. Ah, the broth, the soup. Pizza.
I try to vlog, stop halfway, restart, delete clips, complain. If you also quit halfway when filming, comment same below. So I know it's not just me being dramatic.
You bought it, baby.
And then, just when I think the week is over, New York gives us fall's first snow.
Yes, kids, it's snowing. It's starting to snow.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happening from your life.
म एउटा कुरा भनौँ मौसम राम्रो छ हिउँ परेछ कलरफुल लिभ्स छ विन्डी छ अनि चिसो छ के You know what I'm craving right now? A coffee! Should we have a coffee date? So we're gonna go for a little shopping. उसँग एउटा gift card छ त्यो gift card चाहिँ use गर्ने रे because like she gets around like $40 off. So she wants to take advantage and throw out $100. How beautiful is that? Remember how she said she would go to a cafe right after shopping? She's so excited to take it back. Let's go. Let's go home now. I want to justify it.
We finished the week with skewers, family gatherings, and me standing on my balcony again, pretending to sip hot coffee while checking if anyone dropped a heart or comment.